Let's solve June 2024 question. Question was calculate the ninth cusp for the details given below. And these three details were given. Year of birth as 2022, Lagna Cusp as 11 sin 4 degree 13 arc minute and sidereal time at epoch as 17 hour 54 minute and 35 seconds. So it was a 8 mark. To calculate the ninth cusp, we have to have the value of 7th and 10th cusp. So first, from the Lagna cusp, we can easily calculate the 7th cusp by doing the plus minus 6 sign. The Lagna cusp is 11 sin 4 degree 13 arc minute. So if we subtract 6 sign from it, we get 5 sin 4 degree and 13 arc minute as the 7th cusp. So after that, we have to do the calculation of 10th cusp by using the table of ascendant. Sidereal time at epoch is given as 17 hour 54 minute and 35 arc second. Table of ascendant, page 8, we can see the value of 10th cusp for all the places of earth. Our sidereal time at epoch was 17 hour 54 minute and 35 arc second. So that lies between 52 and 56. So we take 52 as base value and 56 as next value. It is 8 sine 5 degree 10 arc minute and 8 sine 6 degree and 5 arc minute. So the base value is for 1752, next value is for 1756. It is 8 sine 5 degree 10 arc minute, 8 sine 6 degree 5 arc minute. If we subtract the difference, we get 4 minute here and we are getting 50. For 1 minute, this 4 will come down here. It will be, for 1 minute, it will be 55 by 4. For 1 second, it will be 55 divided by 4 into 60 because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Sidereal time at epoch is 1754:35. Base value is 1752. The difference is 2 minutes 35 seconds. 2 minutes 35 seconds can be written as 155 seconds. So for 1 second the value is this. 155 seconds will do the multiplication of 155 into it. We get 88525 divided by 240. So if we divide it using calculator, we get 35.52 arc minute. Since 35 arc minute is there, 0.52 can be converted into arc second by multiplying it by 60. So we get 35 arc minute and 31 arc second. If we add it to the base value 8 sine 5 degree 10 arc minute, then we add 35 arc minute and 31 arc second into it, we get the value. After that, we have to do the Ainamcha correction for 2022, which is 1 degree 11 arc minute. If we subtract it from whatever value we received here, 8 sine 4 degree 34 arc minute and 31 arc second as 10th house cusp. So now we have the value of 7th house cusp and the 10th house cusp. 7th house cusp is 5 sine 4 degree 13 arc minute and 7th house cusp is 8 sine 4 degree 34 arc minute and 31 arc second. We have to calculate the difference between these two, and whatever value is we receive, we have to divide it by 3, and suppose we get x value as after division. So if we add that x value in 7th cusp, we get 8th house cusp, and if we add that value in 8th house cusp, we get 9th house cusp. And if we again add that value in 9th house cusp, then we should get a value what was our 10th house cusp. This is a re-verification which shows that our division and addition are correct. So the difference between 10th cusp and 7th cusp, 3 sine 0 degree 21 arc minute and 31 arc second. If we divide it by 3, we get 1 sine 0 degree 7 arc minute and 10 arc second. So this is our x value. If we add this per cusp value into 7th house cusp, we get 8th house cusp. If we again add this value into 8th house cusp, we get 9th house cusp. So this is our answer which is asked in the exam. But we want to validate, we add one more time into this the x value. So we get 8 sine 4 degree 34 arc minute and 30 arc second, which was approximately what was our 10th cusp value. It is just a difference of 1 arc second which can be ignored. Thank you.